In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Read More button in WordPress, a handy tip for anyone looking to enhance their website's user experience. Picture this: you've spent considerable time crafting the perfect blog post, and now you want to ensure that a snippet of it attracts your readers' attention and prompts them to continue reading. This is where the Read More button plays a crucial role. By customizing it, you can better align it with your site's design, make it more appealing, or even change its wording to better suit your audience. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard, which is the command center for your website. Once there, navigate to the Appearance section on the left-hand menu, and click on Customize. This opens up the WordPress Customizer, a powerful tool where you can modify various aspects of your site's appearance in real time. Within the Customizer, you should see several options. Look for the one labeled Additional CSS. This option allows you to add custom CSS code, which is perfect if you want to modify the style and appearance of elements like the Read More button. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to back up any current custom CSS code you may have, just in case you need to revert your changes. Now, let's add some CSS. For the Read More button, you might want to change its color, font, or size. Type in your new CSS rules, something like more link, background color, blue color, white. Just replace the color values to match your site's design. As you type, you should see the changes take effect immediately in the preview panel. But what if you want to change the wording of the button directly? To do that, head back to the main WordPress dashboard. This time, navigate to the Posts section. Find a post you want to edit and click on it. In the post editor, you can insert the Read More tag by placing your cursor at the point where you want the text break. On the top toolbar, use the Insert Read More tag button. The default label is usually Read More, but you can customize it by manually editing the tag to say what you prefer, like Continue Reading or Find Out More. Once your edits are complete, remember to save or publish the post to see how your new Read More button looks and functions on your site. By making these adjustments, not only are you improving the aesthetics of your website, but you are also enhancing navigation, which keeps your audience engaged. So take a moment to think about how these tweaks can benefit your overall site strategy and give them a try. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.